Ciao, amici! Welcome back! Today, we're uncovering the fascinating history behind one of the most recognizable landmarks in the world. Drumroll, please. It's the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Let's dive in! Fact 1. A monument to Pisa's glory. The Leaning Tower of Pisa was built during Pisa's golden age, when the city was a maritime powerhouse. Construction began in 1173 as part of the Piazza dei Miracoli, or Square of Miracles, which also includes the cathedral, baptistery, and cemetery. It was meant to symbolize the city's wealth and power. Fact 2. The leaning begins. The tower's infamous lean started almost immediately. By the time the second floor was completed, the soft, marshy soil beneath couldn't support the weight. Construction paused several times over the next 200 years, allowing the ground to settle, likely saving the tower from collapsing entirely. Fact 3. A bell tower with a mission. The Leaning Tower of Pisa wasn't just decorative, it was built as a bell tower for the adjacent cathedral. Its 7 massive bronze bells, each tuned to a musical note, were used to call the faithful to prayer. The largest, La Sunta, weighs nearly 4 tons. These bells were originally rung manually, but now operate electronically to avoid vibrations that could destabilize the tower. The last time they rang traditionally was decades ago. The bells were silenced to preserve the tower's delicate structure. Fact 4. Surviving the test of time. The tower endured earthquakes, wars, and weather, maintaining its lean through centuries of change. During World War II, it was nearly destroyed, as it served as a German observation post. But an American soldier, captivated by its beauty, chose not to give the command to attack, sparing this piece of history. Fact 5. Modern efforts to preserve history. By the 1990s, the tower was dangerously tilted at 5.5 degrees. It was closed to the public, and a team of engineers worked for over a decade to stabilize it. They used groundbreaking techniques, like soil removal and counterweights, reducing the tilt to 3.97 degrees, a lean that's expected to last at least 200 more years. From its origins as a symbol of Pisa's power to its survival against all odds, the Leaning Tower of Pisa is a true testament to history and innovation. Which fact surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing stories. Arrivederci!